And how do you regard like the likes of the paps in the UK now who have followed you since the days of you walking home from school and they want shots of the kids? How do you regard them now? Is it friendly or what's your relationship like with them?
I just walk. It's hard because, you know, they've got a job to do. It mightn't be a nice job in my eyes, but you know, some people rely on that and that's the way they go, and that's fine. I don't rely on it, but it always happens to me. But I just don't say anything. They do say hello, and I just walk straight past them.
Is that not hard?
It's so hard for me because I'm a really friendly person. But what I don't want other people, onlookers, seeing me to say hi, thinking that I've picked up the phone and rang them and said, this is where I'm going to be. And I've never done that, and I don't want to do that because that's not me. But also, I do feel quite bad that I'm not just like saying hello, but I just carry on with my day.
And the fact that you put pics on social media, I thought that kind of lessened their currency as such, or does it not?
It does in a way, and that was the whole point why I did start putting the children on social media, is because it takes it away a bit. Because if you're going somewhere and they're fighting for it, if you put that picture up first, it does it
they
reduces
can't sell it.
It's not as it doesn't. It's not worth as much. Yeah.